Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Zach from XIFU. So, if you are watching together with me, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons. Help me to share this out. Again, a quick disclaimer over here. This section we are not doing any buy and sell call. So again, we just want to check the overall market conditions. Now, if you are here, do tell if you got any questions or you want to review any stocks. If not, probably just do a quick one. Then we're gonna end our section. So nothing super exciting actually this morning. Yesterday at least the tech stock is moving in the morning, but after that is have some profit takings. Okay, well, let's see what's happened today, right? Now, IBM Carousel remain the same, right? I don't think there's changes in terms of the chart setups over here. Now let's look into the overall setups as overall sectors. So today mostly is in green, okay, but it feels like this morning, not much of the power or momentum. Probably I'm wrong. All right. Now, this tech is holding well. Probably we're going to look into some of my stock first. Then we go into trade signal. Then after that, we're going to look into some Q&A. Okay. Morning, Joel. Thank you for joining me. Now, let's look into SNS. But overall, most of the tech, to be frank, is a bit disappointing yesterday. I thought morning going to make some movement, but in the end, immediate profit taking is happening. Okay, but again, like I say, market is not super strong. It's not weak. If you look into KLCI, they are holding above 1500, which is great, but it's not super bullish type. So now, if you look into SNS, well, for me, this level here, 525, is still my support level. It still is my cut loss area. Holding well above here, I think still okay. Where I probably just going to still gonna take my time, okay, to see whether they can actually make some movement or not. Now, Dialog also the same. Yes, they keep trying 1600, 1.6, but in the end they fail to hold. Okay, so looks like this is the next immediate resistance they're going to face. Today is going to sideways somewhere around here. But so far, of course, now is the first 30-minute volumes remains low. Still fine for me. Like I said, just going to hold it until probably it break the support again, right? So that's a quick one for Dialog. Now the other one is Great Tech. Great Tech is they trying to cross, but again fail. Gap up, push a little bit, but drop back again. All right, but today still holding well. I think most of the tech today is still a bit same over here. They are still trying to hold somewhere around yesterday prices. Okay, so for me it's not really that bad. Okay, just that market is not super strong. Probably just going to take a little bit of time there. Okay, now let's get into MLS. Okay, MLS probably got something interesting as well. Okay, it's kind of look like the same like the rest of the kind of similar with most of the tech stock, but here actually got one shakeout. Now, if you ask me, MLS is having a good setups. Okay, so of course, if you look into this previous background over here, oh, okay, this is one of the main resistance. So that's why it's gonna take a little bit of time. So it kind of similar with those like Gamuda lah, but Gamuda is at the top, trying to cross 4.8. Just now morning they already crossed already, but I'm not sure whether it will hold at the end of the day or not. So again, if you are into MLS, I think it's a good setup. They're actually having a nice and a round reversal, and short term wise they have a shakeout over here. Now, unless you're aiming for very very short term type, and of course if you manage to enter somewhere around the support area, so I think it's a good type of stock for you to do a bit of range trading, right? But of course, resistance here, sometimes you need to be more patient. It would test several times before they can cross. Okay, again, similar like Gamuda, 4.8, they tested a lot of times already before finally they cross today. But I'm not sure whether today can hold or not. Another story. So that's quick one for MLS. Okay, now let's turn to Gamuda. Our IPG also got pullback complete yesterday, so probably can check that out as well. Okay, still kind of same. Okay, so here 4.8 we got tested one time, 2, 3, and now another round. Okay, so hopefully they can cross. Of course, the main one will be over here also. Okay, so it's a very tight resistance there, right, for Gamuda. The other one is LIPG. LIPG yesterday also got a pullback complete patterns. Okay, welcome Joel. So here I think LIPG somehow is more, in terms of chart setup, they're actually more straightforward in my opinions, because they actually got a kind of like a reversals from the downtrend. They're breaking above the downtrend. Actually, I'm kind of interested in our RPG. Probably I will try a little bit. Here, yes, breaking above the downtrend line, and yesterday also we do have this pullback complete signal. Okay, just that, of course, one thing they are very close with the 2 ringgit level, which is the immediate resistance. Market is not very powerful today. You can notice it's a bit slow. Okay, a bit slow today. So actually, I'm hoping if I can get around just below maybe 1.93 area, it would be nice. Okay, so well, today is still at the resistance. Hopefully, today is Tuesday. Hopefully, towards the Wednesday, Thursday, they will actually kind of like retest a bit into the support. Okay, so that's our RPG. Okay, any other stocks you want me to look into? If not, just going to go to my trick signal. If let's say there's nothing much, we got the in-house section this morning. Mars still a bit boring already. It do come back on and off, but it didn't really show a very strong reversal pattern. So actually, I don't really focus on that. P metal, yes. Okay, P metals yesterday I think is a strong candle. They're actually in the accumulation for some time already. In fact, actually, previously I'm interested to add into my long-term portfolios. All right, so over here, okay, drop sideways. We got a big wash actually. So as long as they're above this support, I think P metal still pretty safe. Okay, for kind of like slightly bit long-term type of setups. Okay, let's into Winstar. Okay, I think in our group they do talk about YTR as well. YTR this morning got a little bit of pullback. Okay, so we're gonna check and see how it goes. Okay, so okay, Winstar. I think the trend is still good. Okay, there's no much of the changes over here. Of course, we got this reversal pullback, and this is second round of pullbacks. I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit. This is for Steven. Of course, for entry right now, they are slightly a bit far from 2040. This is not a type of very exciting type of stocks. Okay, it's move up slow and steadily. At this moment, I don't see any weakness. Okay, so if you already entered already, I think okay. Here will be your immediate okay. Actually, here got some resistance. Okay, which is touching today lah. So this is the period support turning to resistance. Okay, so if you enter right now, very close to resistance. So maybe wait for them to pull back, or the next time when they touch this 20 MA, I think. Oh, still holding. Okay, still holding, then no problems. Okay, I believe in profits, right? So the next one after this resistance will be here. At this moment, I don't see any weakness yet. So I think, yep, still can hold slightly longer. Okay, hopefully they can cross. But today volume, of course, at this moment is the first 40 minutes of the day. Volume is not fantastic, so maybe they will still go on to test below the resistance for today. All right, so let's into VTROX. VTROX has also make some pullback, right? It's a bit similar like all the great tech and the rest. Okay, great. So for me, for tech, yes, yesterday is a bit disappointing. Kept up, but in the end they dropped back, profit takings. But for me, if let's say today price is still holding yesterday close area, I think still okay. I'm still holding my great tech. Okay, this morning they are kind of like still holding around the area, right? So for me, at this moment, nothing to worry about. Of course, today, if notice, right, today even though up, but volume very low, of course, we look into hourly chart for better accuracy. Okay, so notice over here, of course, we still have 20 minutes to go. I'm not sure whether the volume will spike up or not. But at this moment, the volume is not that fantastic, right? So again, I don't think today will break the resistance. Okay, but it's good. Okay, that they are opening or holding around the yesterday closes. So at least tell me that there are still support, but probably not today. Okay, probably not today. So let's go into my Grad Tech. My Grad Tech, I think also not much volume this morning. Hey, I actually got volume. Okay, holding well, volume started to kick in already. Okay, so here, just now because before I checked, not much volume actually. So, okay, still holding above support. Let's try Inari. Inari, okay, I believe they are still above support. Okay, slightly a bit weak, but okay, pushing back. It's good. Let's try Dofu. Actually, today, if let's say Inari low volume also is nice to consider also. Okay, Dofu still holding well, a bit similar like Retrox. Okay, now let's take a look into CPE tag. CPE tag, okay, nice pullback. Again, this one, no problems, Steven. It's a bit similar to Winstar also. Okay, it's a bit similar to Winstar. Of course, this one's, I think the trend is much more stronger. Okay, of course, here we got a reversal again. Volume, pullback, pullback. Okay, so this is a nice hammer. So around 80 cents, I think is good. Okay, not sure you're still holding or you're looking for entry, but trend wise is still good. Okay, in fact, over here we do have lots of strength signal. Right, so if let's say next one, right, I think this one still got some rooms before they go into this so-called potential resistance area. Okay, probably somewhere around this range. 88 cents. Okay, so from 80 cents to 88 is still around like 10% or so. All right, so okay, looks good. I actually forgot about CPE tag because previously I got monitor as well. A nice hammer the other day. I think this is due to last week or last 2 weeks ago when there's still war, right? Okay, they form a very nice hammer. So okay, CPE tag. Okay, probably I'll consider as well. Okay, any other counters? If not, probably we'll end our section this morning. Right. So previously we do look into 99 speed mark. Not much of setups already. Mr. DIY and copy. Okay, I think copy Mr. DIY still quite good. Okay, this one's still holding above support. Slow and steady right now. Okay, but I think they are kind of like building some accumulation area over here. Okay, after the reversal. So the other one is copy. Copy also yesterday didn't make a follow through. Okay, but trend wise still good. Okay, for copy. Okay. Okay, nothing new lah. All the same stock from this morning, from the 9 o'clock stock ideas. Okay, if let's say there's nothing, then I will end our section this morning over here. So once again, thank you for joining me this morning. Do remember, follow us in our XIFU Telegram from time to time if I spot anything interesting or our users spot anything interesting, they actually post up into the Telegram for discussion purpose. Okay, with this, thank you. I will see you tomorrow morning.